In 2026, the definition of luxury is no longer excess, it is ease. Across America, homeowners over 45 are redefining what it means to live well, choosing homes that work with them, not against them. The rise of the one-story home is not a trend driven by age, but by intelligence, foresight, and design that anticipates life's next chapter. This is not about downsizing. It is about upgrading how life feels, every single day. And once you see why, the reason becomes impossible to ignore. The story begins at the front door. A single-story home presents a calm, grounded presence, no imposing staircases, no visual clutter, just confident architecture designed for effortless arrival. The step-free entry, wide approach, and balanced proportions immediately communicate accessibility without sacrificing sophistication. Materials are warm yet durable, modern yet timeless, signaling a home built not just for today, but for decades ahead. This exterior is not making a statement, it is making a promise of comfort, safety, and permanence. The living room reveals the true power of one-story living, uninterrupted flow. With no level changes, no visual barriers, and no wasted space, movement feels natural and intuitive. Light travels freely across the room, connecting every corner into a single, cohesive experience. Furniture is arranged for conversation, not navigation. This is a space that adapts effortlessly, whether hosting guests, relaxing alone, or simply moving through daily routines with ease. The design quietly removes friction from life. In the kitchen, function and elegance finally align. Everything is within reach, sightlines are clear, and circulation is generous. This is not a kitchen designed to impress for a moment, it is designed to perform every day. Open layouts keep homeowners connected to family and guests, while thoughtful ergonomics reduce strain and increase comfort over time. In 2026, smart homeowners recognize that a kitchen should support longevity, not demand endurance. The master bedroom in a one-story home is not a retreat, it is a sanctuary. Without stairs to separate it from daily life, rest becomes more accessible, more intentional. Wide clearances, calm materials, and balanced lighting create a space that supports both physical ease and mental clarity. This is where the design speaks directly to the future, acknowledging that true luxury is waking up without obstacles. The bathroom reflects the most forward-thinking aspect of one-story design. Curbless showers, open layouts, and intelligent lighting transform safety features into architectural statements. Nothing feels clinical, yet everything is prepared. These spaces are designed to adapt seamlessly as needs evolve, without renovations, without compromise. It is proactive design at its finest, blending beauty with foresight. The home office demonstrates why one-story homes align perfectly with modern life. Quiet, accessible, and filled with natural light, it supports productivity without isolation. There is no separation from the rest of the home, only balance. For Americans over 45, workspaces now demand comfort, clarity, and longevity. This design delivers all three effortlessly. One-story homes erased the boundary between indoors and outdoors. Step-free transitions invite homeowners to move freely into the backyard, transforming outdoor space into an extension of daily living. Entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying fresh air becomes instinctive, not planned. This seamless connection supports wellness, movement, and lifestyle continuity well into the future. From an aerial view, the brilliance of the one-story home is unmistakable. Every space is purposeful. Every pathway is efficient. The layout reflects a life designed around ease, not excess. In 2026, Americans over 45 are not reacting to age, they are investing in intelligent architecture that respects time, mobility, and peace of mind. One-story homes have become the #1 choice for Americans over 45 because they offer something no multi-level design can: freedom without compromise. They anticipate life instead of reacting to it. In 2026, the smartest homes are not bigger or bolder, they are better. And once experienced, there is no going back.